In Reggello, this prestigious farmhouse complex opens in an aerial panorama across 854 square meters, 14 bedrooms and 32 rooms in total, with 2 residential units. The exterior unfolds across the Florentine hills, framed by olive groves and vineyards in a dominant position, with the valley stretching below and terraced slopes. The facade preserves the authentic character of the rural Tuscan tradition, with original materials, measured proportions, arched doorways, and traditional lintels. Stepping inside the rustic wing, the first bedroom rests under exposed beams with terracotta floors, a window onto the countryside, whitewashed walls, and a built-in wardrobe. The rustic farmhouse gathers a generous living area with wooden ceilings, stone walls, natural light from wide openings, antique tiles, and a traditional hearth. The kitchen welcomes a traditional layout with solid worktops, a masonry hearth, direct access to the outdoor courtyard, ceramic finishes, and looks onto shelving. The dining room extends beneath vaulted ceilings, with a long table space, views over the surrounding hills and vineyards, limestone lintels, and wrought iron fixtures. The view sweeps across the valley, capturing the uninterrupted 360-degree panorama from the elevated hillside position, layered horizons, and changing daylight. The view extends toward Florence, Arezzo, and the Chianti Ridge, with shifting brightness throughout the day, distant peaks, and the Arno Valley. The garden spreads across 2.6 hectares of level and sloping grounds, with mature trees, fenced perimeter, pathways, and a stone well. The terrace overlooks the estate, with paving, a covered loggia for outdoor dining in the warmer months, wrought iron details, and terracotta planters. Crossing the threshold, the fireplace anchors the main lounge room with a hearth, seating area beneath the beams, tall windows, and antique tiles. The lounge room continues with a second fireplace, terracotta floors, tall windows that frame the countryside, original plasterwork, and built-in shelving. The second lounge room embraces a quieter corner with built-in shelving, original plasterwork, a door onto the internal courtyard, soft brightness, and vaulted ceilings. The lounge holds a more intimate scale, with a reading nook, antique tiles, soft brightness from the south-facing aperture, vaulted ceilings, and whitewashed walls. The hallway connects the 2 residential units, with arched doorways, thresholds, a passage to the upper sleeping quarters, terracotta treads, and wrought iron details. The staircase rises with terracotta treads and a wrought iron rail, linking the ground floor to the bedrooms on the first level and the upper loggia. The interiors preserve the original character, with exposed beams, handmade tiles, whitewashed walls in every room of the complex, limestone lintels, and traditional plasterwork. The interior continues with vaulted ceilings, limestone lintels, a mix of traditional finishes across the 32 rooms, ceramic tiles, and original woodwork. The private bath bedroom faces a private bathroom with a corner tub, ceramic tiles, a window for natural ventilation, modern fixtures, and understated finishes. The second bedrooms rest on the upper floor, each with sloped ceilings, terracotta, views over the garden and hills, walk-in wardrobes, and built-in storage. The suite extends across a larger sleeping area with a walk-in wardrobe, a study corner, direct access to a private terrace, built-in storage, and soft brightness. The bathroom closes the tour with 12 service rooms in total, modern fixtures, tiled walls, understated finishes, natural ventilation, and ceramic details.